I want the check. Check. Ooh. I want the check. Check. Ooh. I want the check. 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 I want the check. I want the check.
Quentin just got done talking to you guys about building rapport. And the reason why you want to build a rapport is because you're going to handle a lot of objections. And the only way to overcome objections without getting hung up on so fast you can't even see it is to work your way through the objections after you've already built massive rapport, okay? You're going to get all types of reasons why they don't want to sell you their house. But you have to take those reasons and you kind of have to flip it on them and make those into the very reasons why they should sell you the house. Perfect example. Let's say a seller tells you, oh, well, you know what? I was thinking about doing the rehab myself. Cool. Well, hey, do you have an extra $20,000 or $30,000 to throw around? Because I'm an investor and that's what I'm foreseeing the investment on this property is going to be in order to get full market value for this property. And are you going to be able to wait the 6 to 8 months that it could possibly take to sell your property? If not, I'm your guy. I'm willing to take your property, put the money into it, and then wait for it to be sold at full listing price so that way I can reap a profit. So there's different, all types of objections that you're gonna handle. It might be, oh, right, I can't do it right now because we're still in probate process. That's not to stop you from contracting the property. Usually when people tell me something like that, I say, hey, well, you know what? We do offer services to help you out with the probate process, and we can possibly speed that process up a little bit better for you by getting rid of some of the heirship issues that you might be having. So you just have to be willing and able to overcome the objections. Find a way. If you find a way, then you're gonna close. And after all, coffee's for closers.
I want the check. Check. Ooh.